So today I wanted to share some easy construction paper crafts that you can do with your first graders. The first is cut the squares like this, and you can make just stick it onto the paper. This is one of the crafts. The second is you can cut the paper into stripes and just make like a star like this. So just do it like this, and there you go. The next craft is caterpillar. So you just arrange the caterpillar like this, and then you can just draw like a face. The next craft is like a flower. So cut the pieces like this and make a flower and just stick it like this. And these are like really easy, simple crafts that you can do. It doesn't take much time. So there you go, something like this. The next idea is a rocket. So something like this. So you can make like a small rocket or like a big rocket. And it's just like a fun craft for them. The next is like cut the shape of a dinosaur. So something like this. And then you can draw like thorns or something like that. The next is making different faces out of construction paper. Like just draw like different faces, like sad face, smiley face, whatever you want. The next idea is heart. So cut the shape into heart and make a craft like this. And the next craft idea is construction paper. Is with construction paper, and you can make bookmarks. These are so much fun, and you can decorate them with like beads, or like you can use markers. And I hope you enjoy these quick activities with construction paper and you tried them at home. Thank you.